joining me today as we make some gluten-free blondies. You're going to start with a bowl that you can mix your ingredients in, and then you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of coconut manna, or coconut butter, it is sometimes called as well. You want to melt it first. The way you would melt it best would be in some hot water. So mine came in a jar. I was using the Nutiva brand, and it comes in a jar, and I just placed that jar in some hot water in a bowl or a pan and let it sit and stir it, because what happens is at room temperature it is a solid and the oil will separate, so you want to incorporate it all together again. So you want to just place it in some hot water till you get something that looks like this, very liquidy. And so I have a 3/4 of a cup. All right, 3/4 of a cup of coconut butter, coconut manna. To this we are going to add a 1/2 cup of monk fruit, my favorite sweetener, you know. But I ran this monk fruit through my food processor to make it more like a confectioner sugar. I don't know if you can see the difference there. It's not granulated anymore. And so I'm going to add that. That's a 1/2 cup. And I am going to add 2 eggs. Two teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you're just going to whisk these ingredients together. And that's it. Just takes a couple minutes. See that? We've got some nice batter there. Okay. And then you're going to take a baking dish. I'm using a 9-inch, and 8-inch works as well, and I've greased it already. And we're just going to put the batter in the baking dish. And spread it around into your pan. Okay, so the batter is spread out nicely through the pan. We're going to bake this in our preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. We want the batter to be a little bit puffed and kind of springy. The timer has gone off, so let us check our blondies. I set it for 15 minutes. They are puffed, but they're not springy. They're still soft, so we're going to pop them back in. And we'll set the timer for another 5 minutes. I've reset the timer and it has gone off. It's been another 5 minutes, so let us check our blondies now and see how they've progressed. Oh yeah, these are great. See, they're nice and firm now. When I took them out before, you could tell that they were just not, yeah. So they're just slightly springy. Perfect. So we will let these cool, and then we will cut into them and see how they've come out. Alright, so our blondies are cooled. Maybe not quite as much as they should be, but I'm dying to try them. So let's see how they came out. And just like anything, the first piece can be a bit crumbly. So there you see our blondie. Maybe, can you see pretty good there? Okay, let's take a bite and see how they taste. I like them, and I hope you do as well. Thanks for stopping in today, and I look forward to seeing you at another one of our gluten-free videos. Have a great day.